By the end of the video, we'll know about Sweat HIIT for beginners. Simple exercises for fast results. Hello, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of high-intensity interval training HIIT, tailored for beginners. HIIT is a fantastic workout regime that delivers impressive results in shorter time periods. So, let's get started with some simple exercises that will help you build your fitness without breaking a sweat. 1. Push-ups. Start with 20 reps each day, gradually increasing as you progress. This classic move targets your chest, triceps, and shoulders. 2. Squats. Aim for 20 to 30 reps daily. Squats strengthen your lower body and core muscles. 3. Planks. Hold a plank for 20 seconds on the first day, gradually increasing as you gain strength. Planks are great for building your core and stabilizing muscles. 4. Burpees. Start with just 5 reps and work your way up to a set that suits you comfortably. Burpees give you an all-over body workout in one fell swoop. 5. Jumping jacks. Aim for 60 reps each day and focus on form first before adding more reps or sets. Jumping jacks are an excellent cardio exercise and bodyweight workout that gets your heart pumping fast. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to HIIT training, so make sure to incorporate these exercises into your routine at least 3 times a week. With this easy-to-follow routine, you'll soon be on your way to achieving fast results while enjoying the benefits of HIIT training for beginners. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts tailored to different skill levels. Until next time, keep sweating, but not too much.